Hi, I'm Dimitri. Since 2007, I have been working on the mind map editor Freeplane, a free and open source project I'm very committed to. In my day job as a software developer, I specialize in refactoring Java code, turning monolithic applications into modularized ones. With support from my company, I developed a new tool to better analyze software designs. This tool enhances Freeplane, allowing for the visualization of code structures as mind maps, and uses ArcUnit to examine Java classes and their dependencies. I am keen to introduce this tool to you because of its comprehensive nature and the insights it offers. If you appreciate this effort and are interested in more content, especially on using Freeplane's Code Explorer mode or Freeplane itself, please show your support with likes, comments and subscriptions. Your encouragement fuels my continued work on open source software and video creation. Sometimes code you want to analyze has really complicated structure and huge history. Let me introduce you to Jenkins. I have downloaded the code and compiled it. And you see that there are a lot of cycle dependencies. Here, these Jenkins and Hudson packages are tightly coupled. It is because of the history. The project has started as Hudson and then it was renamed to Jenkins, and you can see that some packages are here in both places, Hudson slaves and Jenkins slaves and so on. And we can use another feature of Code Explorer, grouping. I have just pasted here some group rules that allow to group the classes and packages in a different way. By the way, this character at the beginning means comment, and therefore now I would only apply one rule. And this rule would group at the first level all packages starting with Hudson and Jenkins and having one more name element in the package name. You see Jenkins org, Jenkins views, Jenkins monitor, and because the dependencies are all optimized and Code Explorer tries to put related groups together closer one to another, you could have some better understanding. So indeed you see that these triggers and these triggers are related, this SCM and this SCM package are related. And not all classes have this structure. You see this star having actually comparably few classes contains all packages not matching this rule. So either not starting with Hydrogen, Jenkins or org, or not having a second element. And therefore we can also say that all other packages should be just grouped as by packages themselves. Well, there is an important difference between run analysis button and apply changes button, by the way. Apply changes would not reload the class files. it will just recalculate the groups, and therefore it works faster. And now you see that instead of having a star package, it has all packages not fulfilling this rule grouped under their own package names. You could also try to see what happens if I say it doesn't matter if some package is inside Hudson or Jenkins. So let me just activate this rule and say all packages starting with Hudson or Jenkins could be just put together like this. And now you see that, for example, there is a slaves group, and coming from Jenkins slave and Hudson slaves. But you see, this approach could somehow try to minimize cycling dependencies, but not completely eliminate them. But we see that the assumption that the same name package inside Hudson and Jenkins are coupled and belong together seems to be true, because the numbers of dependencies going up has been reduced in the most cases, but not in all cases. So you see that analyzing a Jenkins code structure and improving it would be a huge challenge. But with this, you also see how the rules can help you with this. There are also many other different kinds of rules. If I click at this help button here, then I'll see information about which rules are available. Then can be used to say which dependencies are forbidden and which dependencies are allowed based on package names, class names, directions, upside or down, because by the default all dependencies going down are allowed and all dependencies going up are forbidden, but you can create your own rules for this, and you can also have rules to ignore classes based on class name or on the package name, and you've got some examples here. But I believe that I have already shown you the most frequently used tools and features of Code Explorer, and maybe I'll create new advanced videos showing also other possibilities how to use it. Thank you for watching this introduction to Code Explorer. Remember, this tool is free and open source, and all the links you need to download it can be found in the video description below. I hope you find it invaluable in enhancing the structure of your code base. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons to support the creation of more educational content like this. Additionally, I encourage you to leave a comment below. I am keen to stay connected and hear your thoughts, questions, or any feedback you have. I'll be eagerly reading your comments. Good luck and enjoy working with Code Explorer.